2 hours later.
Not really. And we're back for another installation. You already seen the thumbnail, so you know what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna lie, I love my OEM taillights. They're pretty nice. They are nice. But I just wanted something different. If I'm already changing headlights, I'm doing everything else, interior and whatever, why not switch out the taillights, right? At first I was gonna get like a darker red or a smoked version, but I'm like, nah, let's just get rid of these and just drop in something else, which are these bad boys. Now, I decided to go with the clear smoke, so it has that nice effect. It looks pretty good. It should be clean with the black, but you're gonna see it on the car shortly. There is a darker red shade version, not like OEM red, which is blood red. It's like, I guess you would call that like candy red. That's that version, but I decided to run with the clear, which I like. There's a clear, and then there's a smoke clear, but I love this version way much more. There's so much things I've done to the car just this week because it was in the shop. Dropped it off back to get the suspension done. Brand new shocks all around. I'm not going to lower the car on U-shock, so change all of that. Did my control arms, upper, lower, did engine mounts. This one is just all about the taillights for now, so let's not waste more time. Let's get this bad boy open. Should be open already at least. Yeah, it is. All right. You guys already know how to do all of this mess. Let's just swap it out. Okay, so OEM taillight is out. Nothing spectacular, but these are pretty good. I'm gonna put these down. Now we have the aftermarket bad boys that I'm gonna pretty much install. All right, so just for a quick heads up, when you're dropping in your aftermarket lights, remember they're not OEM, so you have to do slight modifications to the sealant. Right around the edge, you'd have to lift this bad boy up, and then you'd have to readjust it properly right on the edge. It's supposed to be on the edge, right on this line right here. It's supposed to be right on the edge of that, not a lot over it, because what is going to happen once you try to tighten them in is going to feel like it's pushed up, and then it's not seated properly in this corner right here. So you want this perfect fit. You don't want to look from the side and you're still seeing part of the tail light like it's, you know, it's still not down in there properly. Just cut it. You have to cut it because it might be a bit too long. And then after you seat it properly, what the axis that is left, make sure it's overlapping a little bit. Then you cut it there with your blade, and then you should be good. All right, now that we're finished with a left side, let's put the trunk down. Let's see how it looks. Bruh. I love it. I love it. That's crazy. That looks good. I'm gonna need to get some LED for my reverse, but that looks nice. I like it. That's crazy how it look, bro. It's like night and day, yo. Right, now to remove the right side, unplug the right. So 8 nut. Seems like when the guys, after they finished spraying the car, they didn't put it on tight enough. That's crazy. So because I don't want to break off these hinges right here, I've heard cases where they just break off just by removing. So we're gonna push upwards and slide right. That's it. Oh yeah, that's it. It's off. I'm sure there is mess I need to clean. Yep, all that grind. Let's clean that off. More likely when after they finish doing whatever the car, they were cleaning it up. They try to clean up the car to hand it back to me after they paint it, but you know, you're not gonna get everything. All right, that looks way better. Now to drop in the new bad boy. Now we're gonna have to hook this. Let's pivot it up a bit. All right, so we can see what we're doing. So we're gonna hook these bad boys, slant, get it hooked and pull forward. All right, so we got a tight hook. Nice. Everything fits, line up properly. That's good. Now we just need that 8. Where is it? Somewhere in here. Oh, here it is. Slap this bad boy on. Couldn't get it with one hand, but we get it now though. All right, that's good. Don't need to go anymore. I'm 100% sure that's good. All right, finally complete. Let's just back a bit. I guess we'll just close this for now and let's back up. Oh, Jesus, that bro, I love it. Let's put some power in them. On God. On God. Bro, these are, oh, let me kill all these lights. Let me, Bro, I love it. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I really love it. I mean, I know it was gonna come out really good, but Jesus. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the old taillights. I'm gonna probably put them somewhere until somebody asks for them. But until then, this is great. I love this. Yes, sir. This is. Oh man. Well, I do have more stuff to install. Exhaust coming in this weekend. I'll definitely drop that in. You guys are definitely gonna love that. What else do I have? Oh, I'm gonna upload another video, and probably in another 2 days I have another one. That one I'm sure you will love. I'm gonna definitely tag that one down below if I haven't already done it. But thanks for watching, and I hope to catch y'all in the next one.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna